Welcome YouTube, welcome YouTube. Today's video is about something different. Check it out. It's the brand new iPhone. Yes, that's right YouTube, I've got it. Brand new. So let's open it up. I'm trying to do this one-handed, y'all. Oh, there you go. There you go. See? New out the box. Let's see. Wow. It's the brand new iPhone 10s Max. Look at this monster. Uh-oh. Look at the golden back, y'all. Y'all see it. Oh, look at it coming on. Honestly, Apple charging us all these money for the phone. You should bring some AirPods in the box instead of the wired joints, right? Something to think about, Apple. Something to think about. AirPods in the box with your premium devices like this one. Ooh. So look at that. Golden screen, y'all. Beautiful phone. Brand new. iPhone X Max. Unboxing. You see it. That's right, y'all. It's the new iPhone Max. 256 gig in gold, daddy. That's right, 256 in gold. And with that, YouTube, it's your boy Fila, Hemi Life. Please subscribe. If you like the video, thumbs up. Yeah, I know this is not a Challenger video or Mopar video, but this is the new iPhone XS Max. 256 gigs in gold. That's 256 gigs in gold. So I have more room for my YouTube videos. Oh, man. 256 gigs in gold. iPhone S Max. With that, Fila Hemi Life signing out. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up.